Where else in the world can you find such a beautiful natural thermal bath? And the kicker is that they're free. I'm here at the Cascate del Mulino, which translates as the waterfall of the mill, because in fact that water that you see once powered a water wheel of the nearby mill. And the water comes out naturally at about 37 degrees Celsius, that's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, is rich in sulfur, and from what I read is good for the skin, and then falls into these naturally formed limestone pools, creating an absolutely spectacular effect. They're open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, to anyone who wishes to come. The nearby town is called Saturnia. And where else in the world can you find such a beautiful natural phenomenon, if not in the beautiful country of Italy? And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.